Namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Shweta and today we'll discuss about Dincharya. What is Dincharya and why is it important? So if we divide the word Dincharya into two words, that is Din and Charya. Din means day, Charya means discipline or routine. So Dincharya means the daily routine of ours. That is the daily activities based on the cycles of nature. And it is also important to bring about changes in our body, mind, and consciousness. It also regularizes a person's body's clock, aids assimilation, absorption, and digestion. Why is it important? It is important because in today's era, we are so busy in our day-to-day activities, in our profession and personal lives and social lives that we forget about ourselves. So, here is a chance to again recall what our ancestors have told us. And specifically in this time of lockdown, it's really important to focus on yourself. So I'll talk about on Dincharya what it is all about so that you all can benefit from that. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Yes, of course. So the first point in this is waking up early. When to wake up? Ayurveda has always focused upon waking up early in the morning. Waking up before sunrise, that is a reason because in that period of time, the natural qualities, the sattvic qualities are so enhanced that it's really good for one's personal well-being and to bring about freshness of the senses. It further emphasizes on saying that this time is the perfect time for knowledge and for praying. This can be very well understood in today's modern time as well, as at that period of time the air is so pure, and not only air, the five elements, the space, the air, the fire, the water and the earth, all the five elements are so pure that one can take the maximum benefit out of it. After that, the second point comes evacuation or excretion. So after waking up, it is mentioned in our texts that one must evacuate the natural urges of urination or bowel movement. But this urge should commence naturally. One must not strain or one must not force to evacuate. Also, it is important in today's time, as we all are so less in time, that we either sit with the newspaper in the toilets or we take our mobile phones out over there, which is a very wrong habit that we inculcate. Let's go back to the olden era. One must not engage in any other activity while evacuating because it has a direct impact on your intestines, and over the period of years you might start facing some problems. After evacuation, one must wash the anal orifice with clean water. After that, the third point is cleaning of face and mouth. So after evacuation, it's important that one must splash water over face and clean the mouth or rinse your mouth after that, which is absolutely necessary. After that, the next point is cleaning the teeth or brushing, as we all do. So Ayurveda has also emphasized on the importance of brushing your teeth twice a day. Ayurveda has recommended the use of the plant twigs for cleaning teeth that are bitter, pungent and astringent in tastes, like the banyan tree, Acacia catechu, Terminalia arjuna, Nerium indicum, etc. There are many benefits of brushing your teeth twice in a day. It helps in destroying the germs, it helps in strengthening your teeth, it helps in strengthening your gums, it also helps in improving your taste buds, and it is very useful for halitosis, that is the bad smell from mouths. After that comes tongue cleaning or tongue scraping. Like in the modern times, we are using the tongue cleaners to scrape off the tongue. In our ancient texts, they used the scrapers made out of metals. Cleaning tongue is as important as cleaning your teeth. So the tongue scrapers should be used which are blunt, which are round in shape, have a bend in between. There are many benefits of that. It helps in removing the germs from the tongue. It helps in removing the toxins from your tongue. It also helps in improving the taste quality, the taste buds. It improves your appetite. It helps in cleaning up your mouth. So that's all for today, as I do not want to overload you all with a lot of information in one episode. So let's get back in another episode. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Namaste.